Hello everybody, let's make another unboxing. I've chosen this box because I saw on the label a lot of items specific for this season. And let's see. We start with Hypericum Rainbow Romance, a mix of colors, white, pink and red. Leucosporum Soleil, Sedum Herbstfade, some nice berries, Rosenbottel Early Hip, 2 bunches of white Brassica. And now we have some fillers. Amazing Quercus Painted Pink, Leucadendron Safari Sunset, and some nice leaves of this season, some Cotinus Blood. All these nice items plus many others, you can find them in our web shop. Go inside.